So what's up, guys? It's your girl Ray Fierce, and I'm back with another banger. And today we're doing this freaking fun, creative look. Like, get into it, baby. Get into it, okay? We're doing this fun, creative look. It came out so good. It's so pretty. And yeah, if you guys want to see more videos like this, just let me know in the comments. And yes, okay, because your bitch is serving, okay, serving. Period. Okay, if you want to see this look, continue to watch. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell if you want to be notified every time I upload. And make sure to go follow me on my Instagram _Ray Fierce and Snapchat Ray Fierce 20. And yeah, let's get into it. So I'm gonna take my P. Louise base in rumor number 4, which was the wrong one. I was supposed to be reusing rumor number 5 under my eyebrows because 4, honey baby, it's too light. It looked too light. But here we are, carving out our eyebrows. I don't never really fill my eyebrows in anymore. But what, sis? Okay, look at them. They must thick. So I don't fill in my eyebrows no more. Sometimes I do, it just depends. So yeah, I'm taking a fluffy brush and I'm just blending that P. Louise base out under the brows. I went back and went with a darker shade under, but you really can't tell that much. It's not a big of a difference. Now I'm going on top of the brow. I feel like when you do this step, this just make your brows look like they popping already, when they really might not be popping for real. And that's period, poo. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. I'm gonna go and blend that out as well with that same fluffy brush that I use on the lid. And I'm taking the P. Louise base number 4, and I'm actually gonna place that on my eyelids and tap that out with that same brush. You can use a flat brush, you can use a fluffy brush, whatever you prefer. But this is rumor number 4 that I'm taking and blending it out. And I'm taking my James Charles palette. I'm gonna take this pretty blue shade. It's kind of like a raw blue shade. It's really, really pretty. I'm taking that and I'm tapping that on the outer corner of my eye. And I'm gonna swipe it a little bit into the crease. But this shade is freaking gorgeous. I really wanted to do something and incorporate green, something that looks kind of like limey. So yeah, this look was a fun look. It's very editorial. This is not something that you should be walking around with every day on a normal basis. So yeah, I'm just tapping it out, tap and blend, tap and blend. This patting the shade down is going to make it look like it's setting the concealer. But yeah, I'm taking this other blue shade. It's like a lighter blue. It's very, very pretty as well. And I'm just tapping that into my socket a little bit above my crease so that we won't hide those shades when we go and cut it. Yeah, it's looking good. And you just want to build those shades up to the intensity that you want to build them to. Then I'm going to take the green. I'm going to go in the inner crease area. As you guys can see, you could kind of feel for your bone. I'm just placing that right there in that corner. It's just following the shape of my eye. I'm just packing it on, blending it out. And these shadows are very pigmented. Now I'm taking the P. Louise white base. And I'm going to cut that crease, honey. I should have had some makeup remover or eye remover makeup so that I can cut the crease like that, because it kind of mixed with the shadows, but it wasn't bad. It all came together. So yeah, you just want to take your time and cut your crease. So yeah, after you get your crease cut and everything is looking together and even enough, even if it ain't that even. Sometimes when you make mistakes in makeup, you know that you made mistakes, but people don't know that you made mistakes. They just be like, oh my god, your makeup is so cute. They don't know that you actually messed up something. They just know it look good. So now I'm taking my NYX glitter primer and I'm kind of like tapping that along my eyes. Yeah, I'm tapping that along my eyes just to give it some tacky to stick to. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna take, I don't even know how you say this, Gerard, something like that, but it's this makeup brand on Instagram that sells pigments and I freaking love them. I'm using this blue pigment. I don't really know the name of it. I'll have it in the description box, but it's so freaking pretty. Like, oh my god, look at it. And then I'm taking the white gold. I know what the white gold shade name is because I freaking love it. I want to put it on every eye look. It's so cute and sparkly. Like, if I can have sparkles every day, I would. Sparkles in my drink, sparkles on my shoes, sparkles in my hair. My husband, he hates the glitter or the sparkle. He's just like, oh, you're gonna have glitter everywhere. It's gonna be all in my clothes, my underwear. I'm taking my NYX matte liquid lipstick, matte liquid liner, and I'm going in with that blue shade that we used at first just to kind of blend it out. You don't want like a harsh line right there, so you kind of want to blend it, make them marry each other. So yeah, married the two. And sometimes you don't have to add shadow. Sometimes you can just go and blend it. It just depends on what you're doing. Now here I am doing the liner. I didn't do a thick wing. I just kind of did a thin one. Yeah, it went with the look perfectly. I didn't want to really cover up the shadow, so I didn't do too much of a thick liner. And I'm going in to do my face. I'm using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in the shade Cappuccino. Yeah, I love this foundation. It really reminds me of the Fenty Beauty foundation. The way it dries down, it lasts all day. Like, I literally stay matte all day. Sometimes I just be like, girl, you can't be wearing this foundation every day because you're gonna dry your face out. So yeah, I like this foundation. It's bomb and the color looks good. I feel like it could be a little lighter, but that's what we got to work with. Now I'm taking my Juvia's Place concealer, and I know they got so much controversy going on with Juvia's Place right now, with them basically wanting to work with the black influencers now that they need to push this complexion product. But if the product is bomb, the product is bomb, and I'm not mad that they, I guess, was working with a white YouTuber that was bigger than others, because I just feel as if the white YouTubers are bigger, like, and as black people we don't get that many opportunities. So for them to work with a bigger brand, a white brand, is fine. Like, they still cater to black people. It's a black brand or whatever. So yeah, let me not speak too much on that. I'm just blending this concealer out with my beauty blender. Blend, blend, blend. I don't really care for the concealer too much. The NYX concealer is my favorite. I don't like this one because it's too creamy for me, and I have fine lines under my eyes. It creased. It probably don't be that bad. I mean, but I don't like it that much. I like how full coverage it is though, but I don't like it much. And the foundation, it doesn't last as long, but I like how full coverage the foundation is. I'm using my Huda Beauty. What color is this? In Blondie. Yeah, my Huda Beauty in Blondie. Love this powder. I'm almost out. Need to get some more because it's my fave. But yeah, if you guys want to see a Juvia's Place review, go check it out. I'll leave it in the description box down below. And let me know if you want me to try out that that Alma brand, UMON or something like that. I've been looking at it. I think I want to try it. So I guess it don't matter if y'all want me to try it or not. I'm gonna try it anyway. So yeah, I'm just setting my face looking like a ghost, and I'm taking the other one and honey bun or something like that, cinnamon. I'm making up names for the Huda Beauty powder because I don't know. I don't remember. It's something like that, bread pudding. But yeah, I'm using the Makeup Revolution concealer to contour to give us that chiseled look. And there's period. Wait. I'm making sure we snatched. I love this, the cream contour. If you have any other suggestions that's cream products, let me know in the description box. I mean in the comments. Now I'm taking my Makeup Shayla Under Construction blush. I like this blush. It's not too heavy, it's not too much. It's just right, okay? And you can build it up. I like the aspect of being able to build it up, and it's not too much initially because I feel like I dig my brush in there a little bit. But yeah, I'm taking my Becca Opal highlighter because I thought it'd just go perfect with this look. I didn't want nothing too golden because, yeah, this ain't no golden look. Ain't no golden eyeshadow. I wanted something a little cooler or more neutral. So yeah, I'm highlighting in the normal places that I normally would. I'm taking this green liner. It's by Nicka K. And I'm gonna do my waterline with that. I thought this color would be so fun down there. And I'm gonna go in with that blue that I use on the outer part. And I'm gonna go under my eyes and go right under that green liner. Look at that, guys. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. And then I'm gonna go in with that other blue shade and like kind of bring it farther down. Yeah, I'm just gonna bring it farther down. I like how that looks. Gives it a little bit more drama on the lower lash line. Then I went in with this blue shade out of the palette to give us a little ice, okay? Something in the inner tear duct. I feel like I get this from Jackie Anna, okay? In this period. And I'm going in with my black mascara. This is the Maybelline Big Shot Mascara. I'm using this blue lipstick. I mixed the royal and the black together out of the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip kit. And yeah, guys, this is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed. And don't talk about my hair coming up on the side, okay? I just need to put this wig on to get a good, nice looking video out for you guys. And I didn't want to put it all the way down or like do the foam and mold it down and all that. So yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell if you want to be notified every time I upload. And comment down below what colors or what look do you want to see next, or colors. Yeah. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.